it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Beetlejuice Among Us crewmate. So let's get started, okay? It's going to be super easy and simple, so follow along with me. I'm going to start over here first by kind of tracing a line along like that. Just kind of like a curve like so. It's going to be kind of the lens of the crewmate for the most part. I'm going to go over here now and I'm going to just curve along the side over here. So I'm going to grab my marker, curve along over here on this side of the crewmate's face. Go over here on this side, curve down. So curve down over here. Just like so. And lastly, for at least the visor of the crewmate, we're going to curve underneath, okay? There we go. Nice. So far, that's the lens of the crewmate, and we're going to kind of start going over here by drawing the head area. So we're going over here and draw here, curve like so. Okay. Going to go over here to the front area, and I'm going to curve down. Curve. It's going to be a straight line down. Alrighty. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. Up. Gonna go over here for underneath the body, curved line underneath there. Down. Excuse me, I'm yawning a little bit. Forgive me. I'm, recording this late at night. Sorry. And I'm gonna go over here from the back, pull a straight line down all the way. Don't forget, by the way, if you like this sort of stuff, this sort of drawing lesson, these kind of step-by-steps, hit the like button. It really helps it go out in the algorithm more. It helps people, find it easier. But please do that if you can. It takes less than a second. And it makes a huge, huge impact on me. So let's go over here now. We're going to curve along the side. All right. So far, so good. We're doing pretty good here so far, right? Considering we're only 2 minutes in the video, we're already almost done, which is great. I'm going to go over here now. I'm going to put the backpack on. So maybe about yay level over here. Pull the line back. I'm going to go over here, pull the line downward over here. Just like curve around the corner, down. Okay. Curve a line in. All right. So over here, the hair, okay? Beetlejuice has this like messy hair, right? So that's kind of something we're going to go, really big, part of the character. So, as far as applying it to a crewmate. So we're going to go over here. We're going to draw like an S curve, kind of like around this point, just kind of an S curve over here. All right. And then I'm going to pull back just a bit. Boom. Gonna go over here, curve in. Gonna go over here and pull back. And don't forget, by the way, remember, I always say this in every video, you just want to like be approximate. You don't have to be exact with all this stuff. If it's, smaller, it doesn't matter. Just, you just want the idea of the drawing in the end. Gonna go over here now, pull down, back up, down over here, up. It's kind of messy haired look. Right on. Okay, so let's go draw the outside of the hair now. So I'm even going to start over here, up, down, up over here, and down. And remember, these are all kind of like S curves, right? Like this right here, looks like an S. And last one right here is got that slightly disheveled, messy hair. Going to go over here now, back, up, down. Just kind of zigzag it back pretty quick. Okay, let's go over here and find his suit. So we're going to go over here and draw pretty much a relatively straight line over here. I'm going to draw like a V shape on this side for one side of the collar, V shape on the other side, and then a line across. Right, we got to make that from the suit and the pants. What we're going to do here is we're going to draw straight lines down, okay? Like these bars. That's what Beetlejuice is known for, that really crazy looking outfit. Over here on this side. So, line underneath here, line underneath here. Line down over here with the pants as well. We're going to have the lines a little bit, see right here when we draw them, I want them a little bit off of these guys. I don't want it to be all the way down. I just want it to be a little bit off there. And then lastly, what we're going to do here is we got to fill in these lines. So I'm afraid to say that. I know that maybe if you're doing this in pencil, it's probably easier, but in marker, because with pencil you can use like the side of your pencil, right? I guess I'm kind of using the side of the marker here. I'm using fine point Sharpies. Always have a window open when you do that. You don't want to inhale the Sharpie smell. It's pretty gross. Over here. All right. And now let's go to the pants and do that as well. We're going to pick the alternating lines right here. Don't forget, by the way, let me know what you think. I want to hear your thoughts. Leave like a little line right there because you want it to... Sometimes you can leave some spaces around the corners here so that it makes sense, right? So that you can see it more obvious. There we go. All right, looks pretty good. So we're gonna do one last thing on this guy. We're gonna take care of that lens. Curve around here. And then we're gonna draw a circle over here to kind of give it that cool glow going on here. There we go. We want to make that a little bit thicker just to make it look a little bit more like a reflective surface. But I want to thank you very much for sticking around this long. If you're here at this point, say hi to me in the comments right now. Like literally. So I'll know that you stuck around. If you can hear me right now, say hello in the comment section. I want to thank you very much, and I want you to stick around for the next drawing lesson. So let's jump into that. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.